It's a very important message to UPND and Hakainde Chilema. As you go into your adoption for next year's election for members of parliament, please, His Excellency, be very, very careful on selecting the people that will represent the people at the parliament. Don't select idiots like Edgar Lungu. Don't select group of people who are down, who are fools, who don't know anything. The only thing they know is to go to parliament and shout, yeah, 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 yeah. Today, Edgar Lungu is going to increase ZESCO tariff to 200%. Yeah, 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 yeah. Today, Edgar Lungu is going to lower the salary of council workers and increase the salary of members of parliament. Yeah, 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 yeah. Everything for them is yeah, 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 yeah. They go to parliament every morning, bath from the house, dress up, put on suits, just to go to parliament and shout, yeah, 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 yeah. They know nothing. And after shouting, yeah, 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 at the end of the month, they get huge salaries. Council workers are working, they are not getting salaries. People are working, they are not being paid. Police is working with little salary. But idiots that go to a parliament only to shout, yeah, 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 at the end of the month, they get huge salaries. These are the things that, these are the things that you need to look into as you are adopting people. Adopt people that are intelligent. Adopt people that are wise. People that are able to debate. Don't adopt idiot like Bowman Lusambo, who has been in parliament for years without speaking, not even a minute of debate. I've never seen him debating. And so many other idiots like him in PF. Be very careful. Zambian people deserve better. You know, they deserve better. You know, they don't deserve fools who go to parliament to shout, yeah, 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 group of yeah, 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 yeah people. No, 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 no. Things must change. Next year, I have just come back from Godfather. Many people were worried. See, one they said they are sick. I cannot be sick because I'm sickness myself. See, one they said we are dead. I cannot be dead because I'm death myself. I am Jagaban, the dawn of power. I am beyond human destruction. The only person that can kill me on earth is Godfather. Apart from him, no one else is going to kill me. I am here. I am back. On Sunday, 9 p.m., I'm going to be live on this page. There is a lot and a lot that you need to hear. Don't miss it for anything. I want to say that I love you. Many of you have cried. See, is it true that you are sick? I can't be sick. Look at me. I am sickness myself. See, they say you are dead. I can't be dead. I am dead myself. See, PF has bought, they say PF has bought you. PF cannot buy me. I am beyond that. I am not UPND, some UPND councillors. I am C1. I am Jagaban, the dawn of power. I make money when I want to make money. No one is going to buy me. Next year, PF is leaving. Join me this Sunday, 9 p.m. I love you.